Okay, so the project I've got today is fitting some window film reflective on these windows here. Not too bothered about the bottom one, not too bothered about the middle one. It's here when you're sitting down there in the summer, obviously summer and winter time, just the sun comes across here like this, and it's in your face all the time. Plus the heat that comes in here from outside underneath this lean-to, which I'll show you. It's absolutely pissing down, which I'm really grateful for, because it's getting really too hot and muggy, so hopefully this will freshen up the air a bit, plus the plants are loving it. Yeah, so under here today is there's only 20 degrees, about 22. In the summer when it's like 32, under here it would be like 40, and it's absolutely stifling. You can't sit out here. So we did put some white sheets up, and these hang down to about here to cut out some of the sun. But I'm going to try this mirror film. It's like reflective and privacy film, but obviously only works during the day, because in the evening time you have the lights on, everybody can see in anyway, so you have to draw your curtains. So yeah, we're going to try that. I've got a funny feeling it's going to make it even darker indoors in the living room, because it's keep the bugs out, the spiders. Yeah, in the when it's a dull day, it's quite dark in here. And I've got a funny feeling it's going to be even darker with these three windows. So let's get cracking and quick clean the window first, and then I've got this stuff. Got it on eBay. It was about £8 or something, 5 metres. So we'll see. It's obviously big enough for that. I'll have to cut it down, obviously, and it'll probably whether if I can do the bottom. Yeah, it's going to end up with 3 strips unless I do it this way. But we'll see. Let's do. Let's clean the window. Say 34.5 inches. So I'm going to cut it 36. Yeah, I'm going to cut it 36. And 14 inches. 36 by 14. Remember that? Okay, 36 by 14. I can't move this settee out, it's miles too heavy. Plus I ain't got the room anyway to move it anyway. It's got a lovely crease in that one, so I can do this side. Going to use the same stuff, the cleaner. try that again. Squeegee. The little squeegee and the knife was supplied with it. Get our little knife that they supply with it, and then try and trim it off without tearing it too much, obviously. So, not too bad. Did cut it a bit short up the top, and obviously you have to try and get all the bubbles out. So this one did have a crease in it. I didn't see that crease, so not bad at all. You can see it's a bit. So obviously it's like smoky windows now. So obviously that's without and that's with. And I'll show you from the outside. I'm not sure whether I'm actually happy with it, but you can see there's nothing in that one. Still reflections in that one, but it's still got the light on. So with the light off, you ain't going to see nothing anyway. And during the day it's going to be fine. And hopefully it reflects. But I need to work on that a bit more to get some more of them bubbles out. As you can see. You can see that bloody crease in there, that's for sure. So let me work on this and I'll get back to you. Found it better to use a squeegee than that plastic thing. The plastic one seemed to have been dragging it too much. Okay, so not too bad. Still got to do might do the top one, might do the bottom ones. Not too sure yet. But it's mainly for the glare. So just turn this. It is a dull day today, but I'll just turn this light off. So yeah, it's a little bit darker in here, but we haven't got the blinding sunlight at the moment, so it's pretty good. You can tell the difference between the bottom one and the top one, that's for sure. And it's not bad. First attempt in trying to do it. So yeah, it needs a little bit more work. Needs to there's a few bubbles to come out here and there. I'll wait until some of the liquid dries off and then try and work them out a bit more. Some of these marks are on the outside of the window, you can see it there. So this one didn't come out too bad. That one, I'm gutted about this little crease here, but there's nothing, I'm not going to do it again. And there's one down here as well. Looks like a hair behind it, but it's not. Yeah, let's have a look outside. Yeah, you can see the bubbles up there. I've got to get out. Got to work them out. It should be alright. That's with the light off. That's with the light on. Still not too bad. Probably see more in night time, but it's pretty good. So I'm going to leave this one here, and still got the front bedroom one to do yet. That'll piss the neighbours off, that's for sure. Yeah, because they're a bit paranoid, so they're fucking spying on me. Anyway, I'm going to finish this up, and I'll catch you later.
The next morning.
Okay, so this is the next day, and as you can see, I took it straight off. Waited till like the other half come home, and she said it does make it look a lot darker in here. And yes, it was a gloomy day, but even in the morning it was so dark in here, like sort of like 8 o'clock. So I decided to rip it off, and I'll have to research it a bit more to see if there's a better quality one, pay a bit more for it, or you know, it doesn't make it so dark in here. But I knew it was going to be dark-ish, but not that dark. So if you're gonna buy some, just be aware it does make it dark in here, unless you've got another window in the room. You know, this is the only window that's in this front room flat. You know, if there was another window above here, it'd be great, but I don't think the council's going to put me a nice window in up there. It'd make it nice and bright in here. So anyway, thanks for watching, and see you next time. Cheers, bye.